I can tell. Who else am I going to tell?
When you're going to shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Oh, I
If you want
certainly
respect,
can.
you gotta respect
And I
me
can make
too.
you shut up. Watch. Here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
Counsel, are you satisfied?
Yes, I am.
So am I. Sir, your arraignment on information date will be November 9 at 9 a.m. Anything as to bond?
The parole is what I told him. I don't believe this case is. You said November 9th.
Correct.
I've had it Saturday.
1 week from today, October 6th.
Oh, I don't know where I'm coming up with that. October 16th.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Counsel, I'm going to need your signature. Sir, do you have any questions for your attorney before I terminate the meeting?
No,
Good luck downtown.
thank you.
You're welcome.
October 16th. Does it say
Yes,
the time,
sir.
sir?
9 a.m.
Thank you.
So, counsel signature, and then Heather can have it.
I did not. I'll check it out.
You guys got anything?
Yeah, we're getting Cooper.
Cooper? The actor? I love his work. Come on up, Mr. Cooper. Counsel, your appearance.
Proceedings Court, Neighborhood Defender Service in Detroit by Jeff McConnechy, P 64800. They have Mr. Cooper. Proceedings.
You look different in person.
Your Honor, we're asking to set this for exam. My client is going to waive his right to have his exam set within 20 days. They're asking for November 6th based on that schedule.
Exam dates I've got are 13th or 20th.
Oh, November?
Yeah.
13th would be fine, Judge.
Okay. 1:15?
Perfect. No.
Is there any way I can get it like early? Because I get off at 6 a.m.
We only do exams in the afternoon. Mornings are for this. Yeah.
What day was it? November 13th?
Yeah.
Years.
2 o'clock?
Like 2:30?
Yeah, probably.
It's up to you. Yeah.
Yeah. 2:30.
2:30 and then we get to sleep in early.
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned. It's about to get intense. What starts as a routine morning in virtual court quickly turns into one of those hearings that reminds us why judges have to balance patience with authority. You'll see defendants handling bond conditions, scheduling hearings, and addressing pending charges. But don't be fooled by the calm beginning. As this docket unfolds, emotions rise, accusations become more serious, and the courtroom is pushed into difficult territory. Pay close attention to how the judge separates legal issues from personal claims, because that distinction becomes the turning point of the entire hearing.
Oh,
All right, so bond is continued on that file. We'll get you a notice on that one. We've also got a misdemeanor from Van Buren Township, February 2024, drove a license suspended, revoked, or denied. We'll give you a court date on that one for November 7th. Pre-trial, that'll be November 7th at 9:50. That's on Zoom with Judge Green, understood?
thank you.
Let me put you on a bond on that one too, Mr. Cooper. I'll put you on a personal bond. Swear or affirm, right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Bond condition number 1, stay out of trouble. Bond condition number 2, show up on for the court date.
Make them all bigger.
Questions?
Yeah.
You all set? We'll get your notice and then you're out of here.
Hey, how you doing? Was that you calling me, Muhammad?
Yeah, I was just asking where you were. Oh, no.
Ask him.
Mr. Washington is finally here
For
2 hours late for Ms. Posa, Mr. Bankhead, Mr. Foltz, and two defendants out in the lobby.
Bankhead, what was the first one?
Kosa. She's You've got the Bankhead.
All right, hold on. I gotta find COSA. Is that with a K?
Yep.
Oh, got it. All right, COSA, Bankhead, who else?
Folks, Folks.
Yep.
And, let's see who else. Patton, should that Patton? Corey Turner, no.
Okay.
Mr. Did you have another one that like that they felt up here?
Yes.
Did you want to call that one?
Let's get 1 second, give him.
Sure, you're all right.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can adjourn that. Ms. Kozar has indicated she doesn't want me representing her, so I don't know whether to have her address the court on that.
You want to do that now, or you want to do that after you've talked to all your defendants?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
maybe I-
No, let's do it now. We can let the county go then.
Okay. Yeah, maybe if I can speak to the rest of my clients. Two of my clients are.
No. As soon as we get her on, Ms. Kozub, see if you can get a deputy to unmute you so we can talk.
And the prosecutor's Miss Dane. She's asking for the adjournment because she wasn't able to be here, so she has prosecutor to ask for adjournment mid-November.
On this file?
And Miss Kosa, yes.
Okay. Ms. Kozub, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor, I would like to release my lawyer. I need a new one because he already violated my rights and my privacy by answering a phone call with my biological mother, who has done nothing but commit crimes against me, and he told her that he was my lawyer before I even knew he was my lawyer. And I don't want my lawyer communicating with one of my biggest predators and enemies who have been doing nothing but committing crimes against me, and I'm pretty sure she set this up as well. So he will not be my lawyer.
Okay, just so you understand, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney, but you don't get to pick the attorney unless you pay for the attorney. So I'm going to put in for one request to see if they will appoint another attorney from downtown. I don't appoint the attorneys. That comes from downtown. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So that will be adjourned for probably safe 3 weeks.
Well, no, the prosecutor wants it mid-November because she's off.
Okay, so that should, all right. So the
Your Honor,
prosecutor
can I
wants,
say something?
the prosecutor is asked to have this adjourned
Your
into
Honor.
mid-November, so that should be time for you to get a
Okay,
new
Your Honor,
attorney.
I was kidnapped. They came in a car that was not Belleville. They busted into my house. I have video evidence. They took the knife out of my room that had nothing on it. He did not have gloves on it. He did not have gloves on. He did not have an evidence bag. He took my phone that I hid. He took my purse. When I was leaving to come here in the new jail, do you know that we're in the new jail? You know there's an old jail and a new jail? Well, when they took me in the new jail, he told me, oh, I don't have any property. So they stole my purse, they stole my phone, they stole all my identification. Then they did not take me to a Belleville station, and they were not in Belleville cars. They didn't even take me to Sumter station, and they were not in Sumter cars. Took me to a place called Huron. And when I asked the cop, why am I here? He said, I don't know, I don't work here. So I've been kidnapped. I'm trying to call the FBI. I have no wristbands. They won't let me give me 2 free phone calls. They won't give me a tablet. They barely let me out. If I do anything wrong, they punish me in their own ways because no one's watching them. Since I got here, I've been screaming and asking and begging for a sergeant. No sergeant will come and talk to me. I just got sandals today. So many corrupt things are happening. Who do I report it to? No one will. I can't call the FBI. I've told every single person, not every person, I've told so many inmates, sheriffs, nurses, doctors, social workers. Will you please call the FBI? I've been kidnapped. This is not the first time. Will you please call the FBI? No one will call the FBI. And I know I don't get to choose my attorney, but I do have the right to have an attorney that does the legal thing and respects my rights and doesn't tell a predator and an enemy who's attacking me, don't answer their phone call. And you're not supposed to tell anyone you're my lawyer.
This is where the hearing takes a dramatic turn. The defendant is making numerous allegations involving law enforcement, jail conditions, and requests for federal intervention. Notice how the judge doesn't debate each accusation. Instead, he explains the limits of his legal authority. Courts can only rule on matters that fall within their jurisdiction, and judges cannot simply launch investigations or direct outside agencies based solely on claims made during a hearing. As emotions escalate and both sides begin talking over one another, maintaining courtroom order becomes just as important as addressing the legal issues. What do you think? Could this situation have been handled differently, or was the judge simply enforcing the rules necessary to keep the proceedings on track?
Or any information about my case. This is what happened last time with Lauren Anderson. She communicated with my biological parents who were in the case. They made deals and were talking. They had their cell phone number. So this is just going to keep going and going and going and going and going and going.
You done?
I am now, since you really don't want to hear the rest.
I didn't understand that. You're done now because what?
It doesn't sound like you want to hear the rest of the information and the truth and the facts.
There's nothing I can do with any of the information you just spewed at me.
Aren't you a judge? You can
Yeah,
call
but
the
I'm not in
FBI.
charge of the Wayne County Jail.
Huh? Excuse me, I'm sorry, I did not hear what you said.
That's because you're talking over me.
No, I wasn't talking when you said something about Wayne County Jail.
I am not in charge of the Wayne County Jail. It's called separation of powers. So you've asked for a new attorney. That takes time.
But I told you the cops kidnapped me. You can call the FBI and say, hey, you want to investigate and see if this is true? She's claiming to be kidnapped. And I've also been claiming to be sex trafficked. And I believe I'm being raped. And I believe that there are people in my house that I couldn't see. Even though I told the cops, hey, I think there's people here. And then they took me to a mental hospital saying, no, Alicia, you're manifesting this. There's no people here. Really, then why did I hear men's voices? And why are other people's mail being delivered at my house?
Let me know when I...
You're the only one I can tell. Who else am I going to tell?
When you're going to shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Oh, I
If you want
certainly
respect, you
can.
gotta respect
And I
me
can make
too.
you shut up. Watch. Here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
Timothy can't change this bond, only myself or somebody else in a black robe. You run into him at Taco Bell, you're eating Burger King. No contact. Clear? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions?
No, sir.
You're all set. I'll get you a notice in just a minute.
Thank you.
You just grab your paperwork. I love that shit. Who's your next one?
Tiffany McGee.
Got her. Come on up, Miss McGee.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chief Judge Shad, anything on behalf of the defendant, Tiffany McGee, who will be stating her name. Your Honor, arraignment purposes, full reading, stand mute and ask the court to their plea not guilty.
Done.
Your Honor, this would also look back 24 case number. After reviewing that with the prosecutor, we have an offense date of
22.
We have a big old gap that doesn't seem to be accounted for.
Right.
After speaking to my client, it's my position of belief is that she is the cause of this complaint being issued because she persistently was calling the prosecutor, Michigan State Police, to try to find out
What's going on?
She has a frayed paper license for years
Right.
and was going through those attempts. The Secretary of State said, don't know what to tell you.
Right.
Without a hold, we don't have a case.
Right.
So I think you know what I'm going, Your Honor.
Yeah.
We would ask for a date set out for us to file a motion for a speedy trial violation.
If I give you a November 20 pre-trial,
I think that'd be more than sufficient. It's also our hope, obviously, Your Honor, I shared with the people that I will email a copy of my motion to their
Yep.
office for review. If we're able to reach an agreement with
Sure.
our intervention, we'll let you know.
okay. In the meantime, I'm going to put her on a personal bond. So we'll go to November 20 at 10 a.m. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. No charges. No new charges. Second one, be in court on November 20 at 10 a.m., my courtroom. Got all that? Anything else? Raise your right hand. Will you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? All right. We'll get you a notice before you leave. Who's this guy?
He's right there.
Oh. Mr. Jackson's your attorney here?
He was a business defendant.
Okay, then it's not this ticket.
Is this?
Oh, hold on. Tyler General Trucking?
Yep.
All right, then why is there an appearance in here on another phone?
Is it something else?
This is what.
It was hearings today. One was
For Jackson?
Penny Jackson
Oh,
was.
okay. So have you talked to the prosecutor?
Yes. These are the one that probably.
With no paperwork?
What's the name?
Hey. Who brought that in? Ryan or?
Oh, him and the other press.
Ryan.
Brian, he brought
There's no indication of what I'm doing with it,
It's a pre-hearing, Joe. It doesn't go to him. I need the,
but there's no plea agreement.
it's 2194.
Oh, okay. All right. We're gonna send you downtown so you can, or downstairs so you can take care of that. You're pleading responsible on behalf of the company and you've negotiated, fines and costs, right? Yeah, we'll send you downstairs.
Okay, thank you.
Paperwork will find.
It's a mess. I went down there yesterday to see somebody. They said it would probably be 2 or 3 hours. I said, I'll see if I can find it. Yeah.
Provincials, Corporal, we deal with every Wednesday. He told us last week, he said, you know, we know we've got him in the system somewhere, we just don't know where.
Looks like, Washington's ready, his too.
Mr. Washington, what do you want to call first?
Judge, you can call Mr. Bankhead first and then.
All right. Your appearance for Bankhead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandranak for the people, P84088.
Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Service, P31383, on behalf of Mr. Bankhead.
Thank you. Mr. Bankhead, give me a thumbs up if you can understand and hear us. You can unmute if you want to. Go ahead, counsel. What are we doing?
Judge, we put this matter over, and I can't remember whether it was a couple of weeks ago or
September 25.
Yeah, we put it over because we did not have the discovery in this matter. As of today, still have not gotten the discovery. We're moving to dismiss this matter.
Your Honor,
Because you haven't got, you're moving to dismiss because you don't have digital discovery. Is that my understanding?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, you and I have been doing this long enough to know that we can do these things without digital discovery. So dismissal motion is denied.
Okay, so we'll request a preliminary examination.
No, November 13 or November 20?
All right, if I can just look that up.
Sure. That'll be 11 o'clock. Well, 11 o'clock would be the earliest possible.
20th?
Yeah, so pretty much figure noon and after.
Okay, we'll probably have to do it at noon. I have a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock that day.
What day are you looking at? 13th or 20th?
To be on the safe side, the 20th.
All right, and noon?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Bankhead, you're available November 20, noon?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And anything as to bond, counselors?
no, Your
We
Honor.
just asked to keep the bond the same.
Bond is continued. All right, we'll see you in a couple of weeks, Mr. Bankhead.
Thank you. Have a blessed
That's
day.
at noon, Your Honor?
Noon on the 20th.
Okay.
Which one of your clients you want to call next?
Mr. Folks.
All right, appearances for folks.
Can I hang up now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Appearances for folks.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, I wasn't sure whether, okay, did you need Mr. Muhammad, or,
I don't know. I don't know what we're doing.
well, I was gonna ask for a preliminary examination on, Folks.
I don't need the prosecutor for that. You want to go with the same date?
Yes.
Let's go November 20, 12 o'clock. Mr. Folks, you're available on the 20th?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'll continue bond on that one as well. Anything else on that file, Mr. Washington?
Nothing else on that file. I
All right,
have,
Mr. Folks, you can take off. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed one.
You too. Wynn or Patton, who's next?
Yes.
Either Patton or, who's the other? Oh, I have Fortson and Patton, but I need to speak to them. They're both in the, building, so, I can just speak briefly with them and then we can come into the court.
Yeah, he's here.
Yes, so, oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right, well, bring him in the courtroom when you're ready.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Mohammed, are you on? Because we have Miss Weed who we have to handle. She goes in calculation. He handles that.
Your Honor, all this.
Yeah. Can you send either Mohammed or Ronnie?
Miss Weed, can you hear me all right?
Yes, I can hear. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Matthew Dupree says he's the attorney.
No, he's an attorney for something else. He wanted this handled.
Oh.
So that it can go on.
How long you been in custody, Miss Weed?
32 days, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hold on.
Hey. Mr. Mohammed, Alexandra Weed, no insurance under the insurance code from March 14, 24. She's been in custody 32 days. Not on this, on something else. Have you talked to her?
Yes, she indicated that she would be getting a copy of insurance, presenting it to us, and we would do a resolution based off of that.
Okay. How long are you in custody for, Miss Weed?
I've been released just due to the system being down. I'm still here waiting.
Boy, that sucks.
Yeah.
So why don't I do this? Why don't I give you a pretrial date down the road a couple weeks? They're going to get you out before then. Then you can find your insurance paperwork, come in and talk to Mr. Mohammed personally. Is that right?
Okay.
All right. How about November 13th?
Can we push it a little further than that, sir?
20th?
I can do November 20th.
All right, let's go 9 o'clock.
9 a.m.?
Yep. Now,
No
remember,
problem.
you've also got 2 traffic tickets from Sumter.
Those are state cases.
Those are state, that's what that means? Oh. All right. So she's also, and I'm assuming she's defaulted on those. Yeah. So she's also got to fail to stop within a sure clear distance ahead and registration or plate charge. So let's just talk about them all on the 20th.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. All right. So you got that? November 20th?
Yes, sir.
That's live at the 34th District Court.
Okay, in person.
All right. Yep. Yep. Bring your paperwork, then we'll put you in touch with Mr. Mohammed.
All right, no problem.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Hey, Mohammed.
Yeah.
I don't know why she's in default. I mean, she's been in custody for a month, but these go back to March. If you want to work something out with all 3 of them, I'll set aside the defaults if you want to be nice to them.
I would want that. I think we'll have a resolution.
Okay. You got anything on Robert Trans?
Oh, yes.
He's here?
Yeah, well, it's a corporation, yes.
Okay. Oh, Trans Robert Corp.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm reading it, yeah. Do we know anything about Anthony Jackson? A pre-hearing scheduled at 9:30. Corey Smith. Didn't we do Corey Smith? Yeah.
It's your probation violation.
Oh. Wonder if Josh knows about that.
about it earlier.
We read that file.
Priority waste is going down. It's adjourned. But please don't tell me Robert Trans is still here. What? How come we're working something out if he's making me sit for 4 hours? Huh? I didn't, so let's adjourn it. Open out the door. The guy was the first one in the building.
All right. Okay, it's showing, all right, Corey Smith is showing as a bond violation and a sentencing, but it's all one file.
Yes.
Right? Okay. All right, priority waste, where are they at? There they are.
11 o'clock, we're adjourning it.
All right. How about Tyler General Trucking, pre-hearing at 10:45? Heath Malcolm, that's O.
Hello.
Waldron is O. Yep, okay. How's it going?
Thanks, sir.
Which file you on?
I'm on, Walford, but Mohammed requested to bring this in.
Sure. Yeah, give it to me. Thanks.
Very much, sir. Thank you.
You talking about later.
Is that a you who you have in your hand? Oh, I thought that was one of you. Is Mr. O here? Can you let him know that, Mr. Wynn is on Zoom for the waiver? Okay. Yes, please.
Want to adjourn that, they need a Spanish, I can't say that.
Oh, the officer, this must know the officer, that's been the officer. So that way.
No, he's not on it. He's just walking the file in from Muhammad. Maybe he's been waiting for an interpreter.
That's,
No, we never ordered one because we didn't know it was a brand new file. He's been here for quite a while. But I'm thinking Mohammed must have called to, try to get a hold of the state to try to do something.
Problem.
200 meters.
No, I was all Zoom. I read it as 200 meters too. I'm like, 200 meters of what?
From
Then I caught the Miami and I figured, oh, who wants Zoom?
Well, he might want to stay here for a little bit.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, really, right now.
Unless he's got people or property down there, he wants to get back there and try to save it.
Yeah, the one, when Helene was coming through, the Tennessee mayor or whatever got on, or no, my God, chief of police, and he's like, I'm telling you guys now, don't be looting, don't be trying to get at these people. He goes, because the only people you're gonna face is either me or the medical examiner. He goes, because these people don't want you in their houses. And, I thought that was pretty good.
Yeah, fair one.
Yeah. And I think, Florida mayor just came on and did another same thing.
I think Florida mayor said, if you don't evacuate, we'll die. We're not coming to get you. Wow.
Mm-hmm. But seriously.
You're putting other people at.
Absolutely. It's like, you know what, if you want to balls it out and try to protect your property, that's fine, but don't pull the plug at the last minute and expect somebody to save you.
Right.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
Mr. Wynn is on Zoom and Mr. O is right here. You're just doing a waiver on that one?
I am. Can I just call Mr. Winberg?
Yeah, go ahead. We're ready for him.
I was talking to you yesterday about everything. And I said, oh yeah, so we go to Sydney. I said, Judge, you never wrote the same. She goes, oh, you're rolling cases now. I say, Judge, I'm telling you, you're rolling the cases. I'm like, yeah, what you tell me she's doing?
Because I know she's working.
She is working for the city of Plymouth as the code enforcement. Yeah. She had this new guy. Maybe something over me. I know sticks in his front yard. And she's started making phone calls like, hey, we're gonna get volunteers to come clean these sticks. And I said, she started telling me a story about I go over there myself.
Yeah.
And she was telling me over. There's fucking 23 million signs in there. So you and your host and you and your hearing. He's like, oh, we did. You ain't gonna talk to me like this. I'm like, she goes from, it's so done to it. Oh man, that's what I'm kidding you. Yeah, you know the problem is? The old man probably has no control over his own house now, because he's probably scared of the 23-year-old. Or he needs enough help, and the 23-year-old's the only one who can get it from him. That's algebra right there.
What's going on, Ryan?
Hey, Joe,
Wonderful.
I was looking to see if I could perhaps get that file back for the trans Robert before.
She had it. I don't know what she did with it.
I think it's right here.
Yeah, we're having a hard time with that one. The gentleman is from Florida.
You know what? I got it right here, but I don't know what she's got going on. She's got this here.
I just was wondering what the
Just give him the file back.
file back. I feel fit. I'll be. Was it? I'll be.
All right, Mr. Nguyen, activate your camera and unmute, please. Well, that's a problem, Mr. O.
Got it.
There he is. All right. There you go. Counsel, your appearance.
Morning, Judge Malone with MDF PA 3424, here on behalf of Swin, who joins us via Zoom.
And Mr. Nguyen, you can hear Mr. O and myself clearly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Judge, Ms. Swin, the meeting is preliminary.
All right. Mr. Nguyen, did you discuss
Yes, Your
your rights and the options those rights give you with Mr. O?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did he explain to you the purpose for a preliminary exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand all that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you waiving your exam freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand, sir, that that means your case is going down to the circuit court level, not at the district court where Mr. Nguyen and I are at today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You satisfied with the waiver, Mr. O?
I am, Judge.
All right, we're going to set your arraignment on information date, October 23, 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m. I will continue your bond. I just saw the note on the file that you're the only guy in 26 years plus that I've ever given a $1 bond to. So.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any questions?
He hasn't posted.
Your Honor.
No, I posted for him.
Because I just sent something downtown.
No, seriously, I posted $1 that day. Because we're not going to make him come in for $1. I handed it right to Mariah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And so Mariah stole my $1? Is that what you're implying, that the court administrator absconded? That's why she's not here this week.
It's on there. They posted.
Oh, all right. I thought she was at that conference.
File.
And he's doing well in recovery. He finished his inpatient program.
Awesome.
All services at the VA area.
Good for you, Mr. Nguyen.
Thank you. Thank you.
I thought I was going to have to swear a warrant against the prosecutor, the court administrator.
Well, you just made the $1.
Okay. Well, it had to have $1 in the system.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Nguyen, the only other thing we've got here is some stuff from Van Buren from 2023. Looks like 2 misdemeanors, and we got you scheduled November 7th on those for a pretrial. Those are by Zoom at 9:10 with Judge Green. Do you know about those?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you can zoom in on those then. All right.
Okay. And you said that's,
Mr. Nguyen.
and you said that's on the with Judge Green is when?
Judge Green, November 7th, 9:10 in the morning.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck.
All right. I know he made.
Yeah, on the inside where I was used to. Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. Hunter made a waiver for a plea. Mr. Malcolm is going to be a rule.
Okay. I'll grab the files. Hunter, and what's the other one?
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
Oh.
Thanks. Judge it. Did it say Hunter?
Waldron is the last name.
Waldron.
Hunter's.
Oh, Hunt. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
First name's Hunter. I'm looking in the H's and I got nothing.
Pearson are probably not gonna happen, but Kelly will.
Okay. All right.
They didn't bring him?
Hey, next time you're out there, ask Josh what's going on with Corey Smith.
Yep, I'm right there.
Yeah, double checked.
Yeah.
That's not County Road.
Who?
Kevin Kelly.
The one that she said was gonna go. How can they bring him if they can't find people?
Because we would have sent a minute weeks ago. You probably changed this.
I guess they can go down the hallways asking for Mr. Kelly to bring him.
Mr. Kelly, if you want to go on a field trip.
Every hand in the jail would go up.
There's nothing else on the list, so it's the last thing we have. We're recording, so.
Mm-hmm. You can't shut down, so then I can go shoot it again.
What's gonna do the jokes?
What?
That's been my biggest oopses on Zooms. I'm staring at the screen. They've been oopses on like voices in, where like I'll come storming into his office. I haven't heard anything. You know, he's just sitting there quietly waiting to be called in. Oh my God. Yeah, about something. He's like, dude, you should come yell. I heard on Zoom.
Hello? You're good, thank you so much. Which is this?
This is Mr. Ball.
Okay. Walter.
Counsel, your parents. Thank you. What are we doing? All right, Mr. Waldron, did you discuss your rights with Mr. O? Do you understand those rights and the options they present to you? Did you also discuss the preliminary exam and what that's all about? You understood that? And you understand that by waiving, that means you're done at the district court level where you stand currently, and it's the file sent downtown for the next court date at the circuit court level. Understanding all of that, are you waiving your exam? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Counsel, you satisfied?
I am finished.
I'll enter the arraignment on information date October 23 at 9 a.m. I'll continue bond. I need signatures from both of you fellas on the paperwork. And then we've also got some other misdemeanor stuff looks like we got to deal with today. All right, so I am done with this one. All right, I've got a misdemeanor drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied from Van Buren Township, July 31, 24. I can give you a pretrial date on that one. November 7, 10:30 on Zoom with Judge Green. Understood? I'll put you on a personal bond on that one if you raise your right hand. Condition number 1 is stay out of trouble, no new charges. Condition number 2, show up on Zoom November 7 at 10:30. Can you do that? Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court no matter $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? You can put your hand down. We've also got a equipment violation. Looks like the same date as the Van Buren, so it's July 31 equipment violation. That's a civil infraction. That went in default. So that's been in default since the middle of August. That one carries a balance of $300. Are you working? Are you in a position to set up a payment plan on that one? If you can get that taken care of, or at least make steps to take care of it, that might help you out when you're dealing with the prosecutor on the drove while license suspended. So you can make that collections payment plan today before you leave the building downstairs. Anything else? All set? We're going to get you a notice on this one. You guys on this? Yes, sir. All set.
Thank you, sir.
Be safe.
Yeah, we'll be right back on Mr. Mount.
I'm ready for you.
Josh said they're still working, they're working on Chloe Smith.
Okay.
Keith and Beef Malcolm.
Thank you.
Judge, this time there should be a fully executed plea form.
Yep, I got it. Mr. Malcolm, did you discuss your rights with Mr. O?
Yes, sir.
You understand those rights and the options they present to you?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of use of instead of possession of?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yes, I am.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, my file shows an incident date of July 30 this year. If you'd like to do the voir dire to get me the facts I need.
One second. All right, so Mr. Malcolm, taking your attention. To July 30th. Were you in the area of Alden and I-94 Service Drive?
Yes, it was.
Is that in Van Buren Township?
Yes, it was.
It's in the county of Wayne.
Yes.
And on that date, at that location, you were driving that 150?
Correct.
And in that F-150, there were drugs in the glove compartment?
Yes, sir.
You knew they were drugs?
Say that again?
You knew they were drugs?
Yes, sir.
Did not have a prescription for those drugs?
No, I don't. No, I didn't.
And they weighed less than 25 grams?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. Do you have any feelings about a pre-sentence investigation versus immediate sentencing?
Immediate sentencing, but I believe Mr. Malcolm also two.
Say it again?
I believe Mr. Malcolm also pleaded to count two.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Malcolm, on that same location, on that F-150, there was a license plate on that, correct?
Correct.
The license plate did not register to that F-150, correct?
Correct.
So the vehicle is technically unregistered.
Yes, it was.
Satisfied.
I am. All right, so what should I know before I sentence?
So Mr. Malcolm has absolutely no criminal history. He also been telling me that he graduated from high school in 1996 and freshman days at high school in Washtenaw County. Not only that, he also went on to attend Washtenaw County Community College and got an associate's in liberal arts degree. We're asking the court to follow the agreement.
Okay. Are you working now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Ann Arbor Recycle.
How long you been with them?
I just started that.
Okay.
I'm excited.
All right. Good job. Good. Where'd you work before that?
McDonald's.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to tell me?
Just that I'm kind of disappointed with some of the things being in here in front of me. I don't take this lightly. I think this is a serious thing. It's a wake call for me. I got kids to raise, and so
Okay.
then I'm remorseful about the situation.
All right. Anything else? I'm not looking for any specific. I just want to make sure I give you a chance to tell me whatever you want to. Okay. All right. All right. So the prosecutor's recommending a delayed sentence for 18 months. I'll go along with that. I'm going to order a substance abuse evaluation. My probation department can help you set that up. Depending on what that evaluation is, there may be treatment that I order as follow-up. Understood? During the life of that 18 months, not to use, possess, or, my mind just went blank on me. Purchase, possess, or consume. Thank you. Any mood altering substance unless you got a doctor's prescription. And I'm going to order 8 days on our court work program. You'll get information about that downstairs as well. Court costs on count 1, $500. On count 2, you've already posted a cash bond. I'm just going to accept that bond and close out count 2. So count 1, you're on that 18-month period. As long as you do everything you're supposed to, stay out of trouble for that 18 months, that will not go on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Understood? Any questions, any clarifications needed, counsel?
Mr. Smith resides in Washtenaw County. Is it possible to have his probation supervision transferred to Washtenaw County?
No. Well, no, I won't say that. Anything's possible. Will I do it? No. But I'm not going to make him show up every month either. So I'm not worried. And my probation officer just walked in coincidentally. I'm not worried about a reporting. You know how it is. Once we get him doing all the stuff, boots on the ground stuff, then I'm fine with you checking in by email. All right. If it becomes a problem, then let's talk. All right. Anything else? We don't want to screw up a good job.
I agree.
All right. It's a 7-4-11. Yeah. Yep. All right. Anything else? All right. Good luck to you, sir. Mr. O, where have you been? We haven't seen you for a long time. Keeping busy elsewhere? Good. Good. Good to see you. Are you ready, Mr. Washington?
Just, I'm ready on Mr. Fortson's here.
Come on up.
Especially if this is the assigned prosecutor. I'm trying to get a hold of her now.
All right. Come on up on Fortson. And Mr. Washington, what are we going to do with Mr. Fortson today?
We're asking for an examination.
Didn't we already give you an exam date on another file?
Yes, give me an exam this month.
20th? What's the date?
Date is the 20th, November 20th.
Are you available on the 20th, sir?
Good morning.
Good morning. I think we did those at noon, didn't we?
Yes.
Let's set this one at 12:30. Same day, 12:30. Anything as to bond? Bond will be continued. Mr. Fortson? 12:30, yep. Mr. Fortson, just have a seat. We'll give you a paper notice to get, for that court date. You're welcome, sir. You as well. Mr. Hadley, are you ready?
Yes.
Always.
People versus Corey Smith.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack from the People, P84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh, I have the hearing behalf of my defendant, Mr. Corey Smith. Mr. Smith is standing to my left here. State your name.
Thank you. So I think we've got two things scheduled today. One is a sentencing and one is an alleged bond violation, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, people move to dismiss the alleged bond violation.
All right, so we're ready for sentencing?
We are not, Your Honor. We're going to be asking for a brief adjournment on the sentencing matter. I'm going to be obtaining discovery on this. I've spoken at length with the people and with the probation department. This same bond violation we're here on has underlying facts that may be highly relevant to whether or not his decision to enter a plea agreement was voluntarily and knowing. I'm not saying that we're filing a motion to withdraw the plea at this time. I'm just humbly asking for an adjournment to allow me as substitute counsel to review the discovery and properly advise my client whether or not I believe he should pursue a plea withdrawal pre-sentencing in this matter.
Ms. Mandernack?
Judge, and sorry, I would like to speak as complaining witness is present via Zoom for the record. At this time, I have no objection to Mr. Hadley doing his due diligence.
Okay.
If at this time, if people are effective withdrawal of the plea, but the defense counsel is not making that motion right now, I just request.
So say that, yeah. Okay. How long do you want to adjourn?
Discovery's already been provided, so I don't think we need a real long adjournment.
Just go to our next sentencing date? Well, after tomorrow.
Or November 21st in the afternoon.
November 31st.
21st.
Oh. We'll be with you that day here at South Council, Your Honor.
Knock on wood, Judge, as of right now, I'm free on November 21st.
All right.
I'm sorry, let me.
What time you want to do it?
1:45.
I'm sorry, Judge, I have a jury trial starting on 11/21.
I have a jury trial, it's a 3-day the week before.
Let me ask you this. If you're going to make a motion to withdraw, we need her.
The people in opposition to it, so what I would say, Your Honor.
Well, my point is, if we're going to do a sentencing, does she need to be here?
No.
But I understand. It's more accountability.
So I'm wrapping everything around. So if the defense decides there is no motion to pursue, we're just going to proceed to sentencing.
And you'll know that in a couple of days.
Certainly.
I mean, but you're going to review their discovery.
Yeah, our hope would be if there is a motion to pursue based on the plea law, that we would give, obviously, their statutory.
Why don't we do this? I'm just going to make a note here that we adjourn the sentencing, date to be determined. When you figure out what your plan is, contact prosecutor, contact Heather, and put a date on the calendar.
Understood.
I mean, I know you two aren't going to let it fall through the cracks.
No, Ms. Van Ack and I've got a good working relationship on getting this one moved forward. I think she noted. As of right now, the victim in the matters appear via Zoom. My client, at my request, has brought 2 eyewitnesses to prepare the bond violation as well.
Right.
So I think everyone wants to keep it.
Yeah, let's just do that. When you have a chance to digest the discovery, then you'll know what you're planning on doing. You'll talk to the prosecutor, and then we'll figure out what we're going to schedule and when.
I think that makes all sense.
Okay.
I appreciate everybody kind of working together.
All right. No problem. So you'll hear from him. Okay. All right. Thank you both. Thank you, Emily. Patricia, can you give me any update on what we're doing with Alex or Reed or Pearson, if you know?
Yes. You said the first one was Alex?
Yeah, 1 o'clock, we got Alex and Reeves.
I don't think Alex is mine, so I can't give you
Oh, okay.
information on that one. Reeves, let me double check. I believe that that's going to be a dismissal, but I have not confirmed it yet.
Okay.
One, if I'm correct. So I'm not sure about Reeves. If I have any updates, I will.
All right, then Pearson is a 1:30 trial. You don't anticipate, or you do?
I do not anticipate it.
Okay. All right.
He's here now.
Kelly, we got?
They just.
Good, they found him. Okay. All right, can you confirm on Reeves?
Looking it up right now.
Who's the prosecutor on Alex?
Come on.
Oh, okay.
It's a false title.
All right.
I don't know if Mr. Nafty.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, Mohammed's not in.
89% sure that Reeves is going to be dismissed. I just need.
Okay, I would really appreciate if you can get a hold of him and do that.
And I will let.
Because I'm just trying to decide if I'm gonna run and try to get something to eat or not. Not a big deal.
I mean, we thought another hour before the next one.
Which is at 1 o'clock though. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out what's going on with it.
Oh, I see. And if I have any.
Hey, is Mohammed staying around out there? Or Zoom. He could pop on Zoom. I just got a question for him about one of the ones coming up at 1:30 or 1. Thanks.
I see what you mean. So then it's a lot longer than just.
Yeah.
1 o'clock. Not come back to the group.
Well, at this point, if I know I got to be here at 1, I probably want to leave.
I got Little Caesar pizza out there. So.
Do you really?
Jamie invited.
Oh, he didn't invite me.
Oh, I guess he didn't. I'll let him know that you're hungry and trying to find lunch.
All my feelings are hurt because you got the invite and I didn't.
Nobody made anything else.
Is that Joe or Jamie's back to us? I can't tell. I think it's Joe. No, it's the client. It's the client.
Cheers with Blair. And that's just,
That's the client.
Mikram's Khan.
He lost Mohammed. Did you lose him?
One Patricia, they,
No, Mohammed.
I thought you said the 1:30.
Well, I misspoke. It's one of the 1 o'clocks. I just want to know if Mohammed knows what's going on with Alex. The exam, its name is Alex.
Oh, she.
Kelly could be interesting today. Home invasion.
Yeah, he's already.
Oh, not on this. Whoa. Bad relationship.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, do you have any idea what's going on with Alex?
I don't. So I don't, we sent out subpoenas, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna go. And the reason I say that is because at the bottom of the discovery packet, it says there was no contact made with the victim. So I just think it's one of those where no one's gonna show up. But we did send out subpoenas and just wait and see what happens. Oh, I see. Well,
Yeah, and you haven't seen Wickham. It's too early for Wickham to be here.
yes.
All right. You know what? If you are you like putting fires out right now?
Yeah, everything's documents.
If you can get a hold of Wickham, ask him if he knows anything about it. I'm just trying to decide if I'm going to go get something to eat or not. I think we're having pizza tomorrow, aren't we?
Would take me
Hello.
empty.
Yes.
That's.
Thank you. Thank you. So our security guys have a sheriff that said 2 minutes. I'll know if he's on his way or not. Let me tell him that. Isn't it nap time? What, you couldn't sleep?
Trying to get on his schedule next week. Hey, I'm looking at explain when Bill was here.
Say that again?
I mean, you weren't here to explain when Bill was there.
Well, I was here this morning. I was probably here this morning.
He was here too.
Your brother, Bill?
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't see him today, did you? Oh, did you? What was he here for?
To see me.
Was he in the courtroom?
No.
Oh, well, I've been in the courtroom since 8:30, pretty much.
Well, he was here at 8:30.
Not here.
Right closer.
Today's courtroom session highlighted just how unpredictable criminal proceedings can be. We witnessed routine bond hearings, scheduling decisions, requests for new legal counsel, procedural rulings, and one especially emotional exchange that tested the boundaries of courtroom decorum. Throughout the hearing, the judge consistently focused on procedure, explaining that every court has specific legal authority and cannot resolve matters outside its jurisdiction, regardless of how serious the allegations may sound. Whether you agreed with every decision or not, this case serves as a reminder that the justice system depends on process, evidence, and legal authority, not emotion alone. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you think the judge handled this challenging hearing appropriately, or would you have approached it differently? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case.